Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a wise old man. He was known for his kindness, wisdom, and the way he could weave stories that would captivate the hearts of all who listened. One day, a young girl named Lily came to the wise old man seeking his advice. She was troubled by a difficult decision she had to make and didn't know what to do. The wise old man listened intently to her story and then told her a tale that would change her life forever. The story was about a young bird that lived in a tree at the edge of the forest. The bird was afraid of leaving the safety of its nest, but it longed to fly and explore the world beyond. One day, the bird finally gathered the courage to leave its nest and take flight. It soared high above the trees, feeling the wind beneath its wings and seeing the world from a new perspective. As the wise old man finished the story, he looked into Lily's eyes and said, "Sometimes in life, we are afraid to take that first step, to leave the safety of what we know. But it's only when we venture into the unknown that we can truly discover who we are and what we're capable of. Don't be afraid, Lily. Take that first step, and the rest will follow." Lily left the wise old man's hut feeling uplifted and empowered. She took his advice to heart and made the difficult decision with newfound confidence, knowing that whatever the outcome, she would be stronger for having taken that first step. And so the wise old man's story travelled far and wide, inspiring others to take risks, to face their fears, and to explore the vastness of life. For it was in the power of his storytelling that he showed that even the smallest of stories could have a profound impact on the lives of those who listened.